Hello, hello everyone. Welcome to all of you in FFB Life Chemistry class. नाइट्रोजन कंपाउंड्स यानी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स कंटेनिंग नाइट्रोजन ये चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया था, जिसमें भी कि पिछले क्लास में हमने एमीन्स के बारे में डिस्कस किया, उसकी जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, नॉमेनक्लेचर, आइसोमेरिज्म, उसके अलावा बेसिक नेचर ऑफ एमिनो ग्रुप प्रेजेंट इन एमीन्स, ये सारी चीज़ें पिछले क्लास में डिस्कस हुई हैं। आज के क्लास में हम एमीन्स यानी एमीन्स के बारे में ही स्टार्ट करेंगे। जनरल मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एमीन्स। तो आज का क्लास भी एमीन्स पर ही है, लेकिन आज हम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक पे नहीं, अगले क्लासेस पे हम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक से जाएंगे। पहले हम मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एमीन्स पे डिस्कस करेंगे। Now, topic of today's class is general methods of preparations of amines. Now, methods yielding mixture of amines. Mixture of amines means primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. First process is Hoffman's ammonolysis method. A mixture of amines, primary, secondary, and tertiary amines, along with quaternary compound are formed when alkyl halide is heated with alcoholic ammonia in sealed tube at 373 Kelvin, like this. Methyl iodides reacts with alcoholic ammonia. It forms first what degree amine? Methylamine. Reaction proceed with methyl iodide. It forms 2 degree amine, dimethylamine. And this dimethylamine reacts with methyl iodide again and form trimethylamine, that is tertiary amines, and this reacts with methyl iodide to form tetramethyl ammonium iodide. This is the quaternary compound. This reaction is a typical example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now, mechanism of this reaction. The mechanism involves the nucleophilic attack of NH3 molecules containing lone pair of electron on Rx. Primary amine salt is formed which reacts with ammonia to give 1 degree amines and ammonium halides as follows. In the first step, ammonia reacts with alkyl halide. At 373, it forms 1 degree amine salt. This reacts with ammonia. It forms 1 degree amine and ammonium salt. The primary amine form now act as nucleophile and reacts with another molecule of Rx to form 2 degree amine, like this. 2 degree amine. This reacts 2 degree amine salt which reacts with ammonia to form 2 degree amine and ammonium salt. The reaction is repeated to form tertiary and quaternary ammonium salt as secondary amine reacts with Rx. It forms 3 degree amine salt which reacts with ammonia to form 3 degree amine and ammonium salt. And this 3 degree amine reacts again with Rx at 373 Kelvin. It forms quaternary ammonium salt. Here all the hydrogen are replaced by alkyl group. So the ammonia molecule in the first step and amine molecules in the subsequent steps act as nucleophile. The actual composition of the reaction mixture depends upon the ratio of alkyl halides and ammonia used. If excess of alcoholic ammonia is used, primary amine is the main product. However, the mixtures obtained are very complex and difficult to separate. The reactivity of various halides in this reaction is more reactive is Ri, उससे बाद लेस रिएक्टिविटी कम होती जाती है, सबसे कम RCl की, यानी and 1 degree is more reactive than 1 डिग्री की रिएक्टिविटी, 1 डिग्री अमीन या प्राइमरी अमीन सबसे ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव होता है और ये रिएक्टिविटी घटती जाती है 3 डिग्री एल्किल हैलाइड्स के साथ। these are the एल्किल हैलाइड्स की रिएक्टिविटी है ये, यानी 1 डिग्री। ये है आई और बी आर और सी एल जब अटैच है एल्किल ग्रुप के साथ एल्किल हैलाइड में, तब उसकी रिएक्टिविटी का ऑर्डर है। और ये 1 डिग्री, 2 डिग्री और 3 डिग्री एल्किल हाइलाइड की रिएक्टिविटी का ऑर्डर है, कि सबसे ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव 1 डिग्री और सबसे कम 3 डिग्री। Now tertiary butyl bromide on treatment with ammonia prefers to undergo elimination rather than substitution. Now limitations of the reaction. Ammonolysis method is not suitable for preparing aryl amines, that is aniline, because of the low reactivity of aryl halides. Aniline means aromatic amines. Because of the low reactivity of aryl halide, that alkyl halides towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. However, in presence of suitable catalyst and under appropriate condition of temperature and pressure, we can synthesize aniline. Now, chlorobenzene reacts with ammonia in presence of CO2O at the 473 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmosphere. It forms aniline and cupric chloride and water. Now, ammonolysis of alcohols. A mixture of amine is also obtained when the mixture of containing vapors of alcohol and ammonia are passed over heated alumina or thoria at 620 Kelvin. Reaction is like this: methyl alcohol reacts with ammonia, it forms 1 degree amine, and this 1 degree amine reacts with methyl alcohol again to form 2 degree amine, and this reacts with methyl alcohol to form 3 degree amines. Primary amines may be obtained in good yield by using a large excess of ammonia. Aniline is obtained when phenol is heated with ammonia in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride at 570 Kelvin. Reaction is like this: NH3 react to form aniline. Now methods of yielding primary amine. तो ये सारे मेथड थे जिसमें प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी और टर्शरी सारे एमीन्स बनते हैं। अब हम आते हैं सिर्फ प्राइमरी एमीन्स पर। Reduction of nitro compounds. Primary amines can be obtained by reduction of nitro compounds using SnCl, ZnHCl, H2Ni or lithium aluminum hydride in dry ether, or randy nickel or platinum or palladium as catalyst as room temperature. The reaction is like this. For example, nitroethane reducted with randy nickel or platinum in presence of ethanol, it forms ethanamine and water. And aromatic amine formed by the nitrobenzene reacts with randy nickel or platinum or SnCl, it forms aniline and water. This is laboratory preparation of aniline by using tin and HCl as reducing agent. This is the laboratory preparation of aniline. क्या यूज करते हैं? पैरा नाइट्रोटालुइन। रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट्स इनमें से कोई हो सकता है जिससे हमें मिलता है पैराटालुडीन, टाइटेनियम क्लोराइड एंड H2O. Now reduction of nitriles, that is Mendius reduction. Primary amine can be prepared by reduction of nitriles. The reduction is done either catalytically with hydrogen, randy nickel or lithium hydrogen, aluminum hydride, or sodium and alcohol or sodium amalgam and alcohol with aluminum, lithium aluminum hydride. It forms primary amine. For example, methyl cyanide or acetonitrile when reacts with sodium in presence of C2H5OH or sodium mercury amalgam in presence of ethyl alcohol, it forms ethyl amine. The reduction with sodium and alcohol is called Mendius reduction. जब ये रिएक्शन होगा सोडियम और अल्कोहल की प्रेजेंस में, तब रिएक्शन कहलाएगा मेंडियस रिडक्शन. द स्टार्ट कैन बी मेड फ्रॉम अल्कोहल और एल्किल हैलाइड्स. Alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride, it forms alkyl chloride. This alkyl chloride reacts with KCN, form alkyl nitrile, and this reacts with lithium aluminum hydride, form ammonium, फॉर्म प्राइमरी एमीन. तो स्टार अल्कोहल से किस तरह से प्राइमरी एमीन प्राप्त करेंगे, ये इसका रिएक्शन है. This sequence give an amine containing one more carbon atom than alcohol. Now, benzyl cyanide or benzonitride, when reducted in presence of H2O and Raney nickel or lithium aluminum hydride or sodium and ethyl alcohol, it forms benzyl amine. This method cannot be used to prepare aniline by reduction of amides with lithium aluminum hydride. Primary amines can be obtained by the reduction of amides with lithium aluminum hydride or sodium and absolute alcohol. The common reaction is this. For example, acetamide, when reducted with lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether, or it reacts with in presence of water, it forms ethylamine. And benzamine, when reducted with lithium aluminum hydride and ether or H2O, it forms benzylamine. By the reduction of oximes, primary amines can be formed by reduction of oximes. The reduction is done by sodium and absolute alcohol or lithium aluminum hydride in ether. The start can be made from aldehyde or ketone. Aldehyde से start करते हैं. हाइड्रोक्सिल एमीन से रिएक्शन होता है तो पहले एल्डोक्साइम बनता है, फिर रिडक्शन होता है लिथियम एल्युमिनियम हाइड्राइड के साथ तो प्राइमरी एमीन बनती है. फॉर एग्जांपल, इसी तरह कीटोन से रिएक्शन होता है हाइड्रोक्सिल एमीन का, तो पहले कीटोक्साइम बनता है जिसका रिडक्शन कराने पर लिथियम एल्युमिनियम हाइड्राइड के साथ 1 डिग्री एमीन बनती है. तो ओवरऑल रिएक्शन दोनों इस तरह से होंगे. For example, acetaldoxime, when reducted with lithium aluminum hydride or sodium and alcohol, it forms ethylamine and water. And acetoxime, that is acetoxime, reacts with lithium aluminum hydride or NaC2H5, it forms isopropyl amine or 1 degree propane to amine. Now, Hoffman's bromamide reaction or degradation. This reaction is known as Hoffman bromamide reaction or degradation. By this method, the amide CONH2 group is converted into primary amino group. The amide is treated with bromine and aqueous or enolic KOH solution or potassium hypobromite. The amide is treated with bromine and aqueous KOH or ethanolic KOH, यानी इथेनॉल इसमें मिला होगा, और पोटेशियम हाइपोब्रोमाइड, जैसे कि सोडियम हाइपोक्लोराइड, पोटेशियम हाइपोक्लोराइड, उसी तरह से सोडियम हाइपोब्रोमाइड. Now 1 degree amide reacts with bromine and KOH. गर्म करने पे 1 degree amine सोडियम का पोटेशियम कार्बोनेट और वाटर बनता है. For example, acetamide reacts with bromine with aqueous KOH. When heated, it forms methylamine and KBr and K2CO2, K2CO3 and H2O. Now propanamide CH3CH2CONH2 Br2 KOH heat ethanamine 2 kBr plus K2CO3 plus H2O. बेंजामाइड प्लस Br2 प्लस KOH हीट, तो ये होता है एनिलीन 2 kBr K2CO3 2H2O. It involves intramolecular phenyl migration. Now benzamide for the aromatic amine, benzamide reacts with bromine, it forms N-bromobenzamide, and it reacts with KOH, it forms phenyl isocyanide. This is the NCO phenyl isocyanide. which further reacts with KOH, it forms aniline. This method is most convenient method for preparing primary amine. The reaction may also expressed as follows. KOH and Br2 react to form KOBr, KBr and H2O. This KOBr reacts with benzamide. It forms aniline, carbon dioxide and KBr. This method gives an amine. This method gives an amine containing one carbon atom less than amide, and the reaction occurs in three stages. In first stage, acetamide reacts with bromine and KOH form acetobromamide and KBr plus H2O. This is first step. In second step, this acetobromamide reacts with KOH to form methyl isocyanate. Now methyl isocyanate react with KOH to form methyl amine. So this is the second step and this is the third step. Overall reaction, CH3CO and H2 methyl first, second step and third step. Methyl acetamide reacts with Br2 and KOH. Overall reaction है ये. तो methylamine KBr K2CO3 plus H2O बनता है. Now mechanism of this reaction. In this reaction, a number of intermediate have been isolated. N-bromamides RCO and HBr. Salts of these bromamides RCONBr minus and K plus. Isocyanates are NCO. On this basis, a possible mechanism of the reaction is explained as follows. RCONH2 acetamide reacts with bromine in presence of KOH. It forms first N-bromamide and KBr. The structure of N-bromamide is. Now second step, this reacts with KOH to form unstable salt, and then this unstable salt forms unstable acyl nitrane and KBr. This acyl nitrane undergo rearrangement, इंट्रामोलिकुलर रीअरेंजमेंट होता है इसका इस तरह से, और ये बनाता है आइसोसाइनेट. लास्ट स्टेप में आइसोसाइनेट रिएक्ट्स विद KOH to forms amine and K2CO2. Now laboratory preparation of ethylamine. Ethylamine is prepared in the laboratory by Hoffman's bromamide reaction. Propionamide is heated with bromine and potassium hydroxide solution and forms ethylamine. The reaction is like this. This is propionamide reacts with bromine and KOH. When heated, is formed ethylamine, and these are the side products. Now commercial preparation. On commercial scale, ethylamine is obtained by heating mixture of ethylene and ammonia at 723 Kelvin under 20 atmospheric pressure in presence of cobalt catalyst. Ethylene reacts with ammonia, जैसा कि बताया अभी, presence of cobalt catalyst at 723 Kelvin and 20 atmospheric pressure. It forms ethylamine. Now, second commercial method is Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. This method involves the following three steps. First, phthalimide is reacted with ethanoic solution of KOH to form potassium phthalimide. Second step, the potassium salt is treated with alkyl halide. And in third step, the product N-alkyl phthalimide is put to hydrolysis with dilute hydrochloric acid when pure primary amine is formed. Reaction, ये सारे reaction process, उसके बाद ये reaction है. Phthalimide reacts with alcoholic KOH to form potassium phthalimide. It reacts with ethyl halide to form, second step में, N-ethyl thalamide. दिस इज द N-ethyl thalamide. ये सेकंड स्टेप हो गया, ये फर्स्ट स्टेप था. अब इसकी हाइड्रोलिसिस होती है तो एथिलेमीन बनता है और साथ में थैलिक एसिड. It may be noted that only pure 1-degree amine can be prepared by Gabriel synthesis. Aniline cannot be prepared by this synthesis because aryl halides C6H5Cl or C6H5Br do not undergo nucleophilic substitution. That is, the cleavage of CX bond in haloarine is quite difficult with potassium thalamide under ordinary condition to give N-phenyl thalamide. Now, by reduction of isonitrite, secondary amines are obtained by reduction of isocyanide. Reducing agents used in these compounds are hydrogen in presence of raney nickel or palladium, or lithium aluminum hydride in ether, or sodium in presence of alcohol. Methyl isocyanide reacts with in presence of these reagents to form dimethylamine, or ethyl isonitrile reacts in presence of sodium and ethyl alcohol or lithium aluminum hydride. It forms ethyl methyl ethanamine. Now, by reduction of azide, alkyl azide on reduction with NaBH4 or LiAlH4 on catalytic hydrogenation with hydrogen and palladium gives primary amine. 1 on 2-degree halide reacts with sodium azide. NaN3 is sodium azide. It forms alkazide and NaX. And this on reduction gives primary amine. Now, Smith reaction. Carboxylic acid, when treated with hydrozoic acid N3H in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, we get primary amine along with the evolution of CO2. Now, propionic acid is reacts with hydrozoic acid N3H in presence of concentrated H2SO4. It forms ethylamine, carbon dioxide and nitrogen is evolved. Benzoic acid reacts with hydrozoic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, forms aniline and carbon dioxide and nitrogen gas is evolved. Now, reductive amination of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes or ketones, when reducted catalytically with nickel H2 raney nickel or BaBH3CN, that is sodium cyanohydro sodium cyanoborohydride, not sodium cyanoborohydride in presence of excess of ammonia at about 420 Kelvin under pressure 300 atmosphere, forms primary amines through the intermediate formation of an imine. Aldehyde reacts with ammonia and hydrogen in presence of these, forms primary amine and water. इस तरह से ये रिएक्शन. इसमें क्या है, पहले एल्डिहाइड रिएक्ट्स विद अमोनिया, हीट करने पे इमीन में बदलता है जिसका रिडक्शन होता है तो 1-degree एमीन बनता है. एग्जाम्पल, एसेटल्डिहाइड रिएक्ट्स विद अमोनिया, हीट करने पे एसिटल डाइमाइन बनता है जिसका कि रिडक्शन कराते हैं तो एथिलेमीन बनता है. इसी तरह कीटोन रिएक्ट्स विद अमोनिया एंड हाइड्रोजन, रिडक्शन होता है तो क्या बनता है, प्राइमरी एमीन. Overall reaction is this: कीटोन प्लस अमोनिया हीट करने पे इमीन बना और उसका रिडक्शन करने पे 1-degree एमीन. पूरा रिएक्शन एक बार फिर से देख लो कैसे हो रहा है, इस तरह से. उसके बाद ये फिर एसेटल्डिहाइड का ये एग्जाम्पल है. उसके बाद कीटोन से किस तरह से रिएक्शन होता है, इमीन बनता है. और उसके बाद ये एग्जाम्पल है एसीटोन का रिएक्शन अमोनिया से, अमोनिया के साथ हीट करने पे पहले डाईमेथिल केटीमाइन बनता है और जिसका रिडक्शन करने पे बनता है प्रोपेन टू एमीन, दैट इज आइसोप्रोपिल एमीन. This reaction of conversion of aldehyde or ketones to amine by treatment with ammonia in the presence of reducing agent H2NI NABH3CN is called reductive amination. If we use primary amine in place of ammonia, it will be each secondary amine. For example, acetaldehyde reacts with 1 degree amine, that is CH3 NH2. When heated, it forms N-methyl acetamine, which on reduction gives ethyl methylamine, that is 2 degree amine. For example, acetone reacts with aniline when this is heated, if it forms isopropyridine aniline, which on reduction gives an isopropyl aniline, यानी कि 2 degree. This is the 2 degree aniline. By hydrolysis of isocyanide, that is carbalamines or isocyanides, preparation of 1 degree amine. This is the alkyl isocyanide. N triple bond C, तो ये isocyanide reacts with water and HCl is form alkyl amine and formic acid. For example, aceto isonitride reacts with water and acid. It forms methanamine and formic acid. And methyl isocyanide reacts with KOH to form methylamine and potassium carbonate. Now some other method for preparation of aniline. From benzene sulfonic acid, the sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid is fused with sodamide to obtain aniline. The reaction is here, sodamide NaNH2 reacts with sodium benzene sulfonate to form aniline and sodium sulfide. Now from azobenzene, hydrazobenzene and nitroso compound by reduction with SnHCl or ZnHCl or FeHCl. Azobenzene reducted in presence of SnHCl forms aniline. Nihydrazobenzene reducted in presence of ZnHCl, it forms aniline. And nitrosobenzene reducted in presence of FeHCl or SnHCl, it forms aniline and water. So these are the methods of preparation of amines, one primary, secondary and tertiary. Now here the separation of mixture of amines. मान लो इस ऐसे प्रोसेस से हम amines बनाते हैं कि हमें मिक्सचर मिलता है प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शरी एमीन का, तब उसे हम किस तरह से सेपरेट करेंगे. Primary, secondary and tertiary amines can be separated from one another by the following method. First, fractional distillation. The boiling point of primary, secondary and tertiary amines are quite different. The boiling points of ethylamine is 290 degree, diethylamine is 329 and triethylamine is 370 Kelvin, and thus these can be separated by fractional distillation. This method is used satisfactorily in industry. Second method, Hinsberg's method. This is an excellent method for separating a mixture of 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amines. It involves the treatments of the mixture with benzene sulfonyl chloride, that is Hinsberg reagent. This is known as Hinsberg reagent, benzene sulfonyl chloride. The solution is then made alkaline with aqueous alkali to form sodium or potassium salt of monoalkyl benzene sulfonamide, that is soluble in alkali. तो बेंजीन सल्फोनिल क्लोराइड 1 डिग्री एमीन से रिएक्शन करेगा तो ये एन एल्किल बेंजीन सल्फोनामाइड बनाता है जो कि KOH में सॉल्युबल होता है. तो इस तरह से अगर 1 डिग्री एमीन है तो इसके साथ रिएक्शन करा के हम अलग कर सकते हैं. The secondary amine forms N-dialkyl benzene sulfonamide, which does not form any salt with KOH and remains as a insoluble in alkali solution like this. Benzene sulfonyl chloride 2 डिग्री अमीन होगा तो ये बनाएगा NN dialkyl benzene sulfonamide. This reacts with KOH and no reaction or insoluble in alkali. Tertiary amines does not react. Tertiary amine अगर है तो वो reaction ही नहीं करेगा. This reaction mixture obtained after treatment with benzene sulfonic chloride in presence of alkali is distilled. When tertiary amine distilled over, the remaining mixture is filtered and the filtrate is acidified and hydrolyzed with dilute HCl to give the sulfonamide of 1 degree amide, while the solid residue left on the filter paper is the sulfonamide of 2 degree amine. The two sulfonamide thus separated are hydrolyzed separately to regenerate the corresponding 1 degree and 2 degree amines, like this reaction of these are this. N-alkyl benzene sulfonamide, when dissolved in water and HCl, it forms benzene sulfonic acid and 1 degree amine. And N-dialkyl benzene sulfonamide reacts with water and his acid, it forms benzene sulfonic acid and 2 degree amine. Recently, benzene sulfonyl chloride is replaced by para-toluene sulfonyl chloride, that is tosyl chloride. Since the substituted sulfonamide thus formed are stable solid which can be easily purified by crystallization. Third method is Hoffman's method. The mixture of 3 amines is treated with diethyl oxalate. The primary amine forms a solid oxamide. Secondary amine gives a liquid oxamic ester, while tertiary amine does not react. डाईएथिल ऑक्सलेट के साथ जब मिक्सचर को हम डालते हैं तो प्राइमरी एमीन बना लेती है डाई एल्किल ऑक्सामाइड जो कि सॉलिड होता है. अगर सेकेंडरी एमीन है तो ये बना लेगी लिक्विड डाई एल्कोक्साइन ईस्टर. The primary amine is converted when solid oxamide is heated with caustic potash solution and collected at distillate. On distilling, the reaction mixture like this dialkyl oxamide when heated with caustic potash KOH, it forms potassium oxalate and primary amine distillate में आ जाती है. The liquid mixture of oxime ester plus tertiary amine is subjected to fractional distillation. When tertiary amine distills over, the remaining liquid is distilled with KOH to recover secondary amine like this. The reaction of process is this. तो इस तरह से जो अगर तीनों तरह की एमीन्स मिक्स है तो हम किस तरह से इसको सेपरेट करेंगे, ये मेथड ऑफ सेपरेशन थे एमीन्स के. उसके अलावा मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन सारे पढ़े तुम लोगों ने. तो इसके बाद हम अगले क्लास में प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एमीन्स पे डिस्कस करेंगे.